Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 20A of the topic mensuration. So, let us start question number 1. In question number 1, the area of a square field is half hectare. Find the length of its diagonal in meters. So always first of all we draw a figure. Here figure given a square. So draw figure of a square. Name A, B, C, D. The area of a square field is given half hectare. The here given data, area of a square is equal to half hectare. Is it clear? Find the length of its diagonal means find the value of D or side be denoted by a small a. The area of a square is equal to half hectare. The area of a square with respect to diagonal we get half into D square is equal to half. We know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. So we multiply by 10,000 a square meter. Hectare convert into a square meter. Both half cancel out. D is equal to a square convert into a square root. 10,000 a square meter. Complete a square root is equal to here a square root of 100 10 the here 10,000 the square root 100 meter. The hence the length of diagonal is equal to 100 meter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, a wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 cm. If the wire is revent into a rectangle of length 12 cm, find its breadth. Which figure encloses more area and by how much? Here there are two types of figure. First a square and second rectangle. We draw figure. A square and rectangle. Name A, B, C, D. Here name P, Q, R, S. In question, a wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 cm. Here side 10 cm given. If the wire is revent into a rectangle of length 12 cm, means length here 12 cm, breadth is not given, so let be B. Is it clear? Here the length of wire is fixed, so we called perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. According to question, perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a square means 4 into side. The 4 into side here given 10 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length 12 centimeter plus breadth. Breadth is not given. The here 4 into 10. Here 2 in multiply. The here divide is equal to 12 plus B. Here 2 to the 4. 2 into 10. 20 is equal to 12 plus B. Therefore, B is equal to 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 centimeter. Is it clear? The find its breadth. The breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. Which figure enclose more area? Here find area of a square. So we know that area of a square means side let here A. So A is equal to given 10 of a square means a square of 10 100 a square centimeter. Is it clear? Next find area of rectangle. L into B means length into breadth. Here length given 12 centimeter into breadth find out here 8. 12 is 96 centimeter. So 196 which is more? So 100 is greater than 96. So we called hence a square encloses more area. And how much? So how much means 100 minus 96 we get 4 a square centimeter more. Is it clear? In question find the breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. Which figure encloses more area? The square. How much? The 4 centimeter square. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, a room is 8.5 meter long, 6.5 meter broad and 3.5 meter high. It has 2 doors each measuring 1.5 meter by 1 meter and 2 windows each measuring 2 meter by 1 meter. Find the cost of painting its 4 walls at 160 rupees per square meter. So here all data given in meter, but here we consider the figure room. The room generally shape of cuboid. Draw this type. This is length, breadth, height. Given length 8.5 meter, breadth given 6.5 meter, 6.5 meter, and height given 3.4 meter, 3.4 meter. Is it clear? It has 2 doors and 2 windows. The doors and windows including wall here. The first of all we find the area of painted part. Of 4 walls is equal to, generally formula area of 4 walls is equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. What? Here excluding door and windows means use the minus sign here. The area of door, generally shape of door rectangle. The area of door is equal to length into breadth. The how many doors are given? 2. And area length into breadth means 1.5 into 1 plus. How many windows? So there are 2 windows. Or generally shape of windows rectangle means area of rectangle length into breadth. The area of windows length into breadth. Here given 2 into 1. Both area we added and subtracted to complete area of 4 walls. So we find the required painted parts of 4 walls. So here 2 into L given 8.5 plus V given 6.5 into H is equal to 3.4 minus 2 into 1.5 into 1. The 2 1 ja 2, 15 2 ja 30. A point the 3.0 plus 2 2 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. 2 into 8.5 plus 6.5 we get 15.0 into 3.4 minus 3.0 means 3 plus 4 7. Here 15 to the 30 into 3.4 minus 7 is equal to, multiply first of all 34 into 3. The 3 4 are 12, carry 1, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. Here 0, decimal after 1 digit minus 7. We get 102 minus 7 is equal to 95 a square meter. Is it clear? The area of painted part of 4 walls 95 a square meter. The cost of painting the area to painted 95 a square meter or 1 square meter cost 160 rupees is equal to, the here of all 16 into 95, the 16 5 ja 80, carry 8, 16 9 ja 144 or plus 8 152 or lastly we put here 10. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, the area of a square ABCD is 36 square centimeter. Find the area of a square obtained by joining the midpoints of the sides of the square ABCD. The here given figure a square ABCD. So first of all draw a square ABCD. ABCD. Find the area of a square obtained by joining the midpoints of the sides of the square ABCD. The here midpoints take of the side AB, BC, CD and DA and joining the here required a square PQRS. Midpoints means separately two parts, means the distance of AP is equal to distance of PA. Here given data given area of a square ABCD is equal to 36 square centimeter. So we know that area of a square is equal to side square, means a square of side is equal to 36 centimeter a square. The side is equal to a square root 36 a square centimeter. We get a square root 36 6, a square root of centimeter. The here side we find out 6 centimeter, means value of AP 6 centimeter. Always you remember in a square all sides are equal, each angle of a square is 90 degree and diagonals are equal. The here take in right triangle PAS. The find AP. AP means AB by 2 because here P is a midpoint. The AB is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Similarly, we find AS is equal to AD by 2. AD is equal to 6 by 2 means 3 centimeter. The in right triangle PS is a hypotenuse. The PS is equal to a square root AP square plus AS square by Pythagoras theorem. A square root AP is equal to 3 square plus AC is equal to 3 square. 3 square 9 3 square 9, 9 plus 9 18. A square root of 18 we get this type, 9 into 2 18. A square root of 9 we get 3. And a square of root 2 not find, the here write a square root of 2. Is it clear? Here data in centimeter, the write in centimeter. Is it clear? So we find PS is equal to 3 into root 2 centimeter, means side of a square PQRS. So now area of a square PQRS, area of a square, side a square. The here side find out, PS is equal to 3 into root 2. So 3 into root 2 a square. A square of 3 9. A square of root 2 2 is equal to 18 a square centimeter. This is your required answer. Always you remember root x into root x is equal to x. So this type root 2 का square means root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. A square of 3 means 3 into 3 9. 9 into 2 18 square centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 20A with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.